who's currently in conversation with Baman Irani from Keystone Realtors. Let's hear out what he has to say.
Already, met with Revenue Secretary and put forth our requests for the real estate industry. Of course, other than streamlining GST and making it a little more friendly for the pockets of our purchasers, we've asked for putting a lot more money in the hands of our purchasers itself. Real estate is one of the drivers of the GDP. We are close to around 9 or 10%, and we're going to be close to around 20 to 25% of the GDP, given that 250 different industries and companies rely directly and indirectly on us, and then the services sector, and we're also the second largest employer after agriculture. So what we've asked for is to continually grow this industry. It's a make in India, make for India, and a homes for all, which is our Honorable Prime Minister's vision. We've asked for a few very simple things. One is the simplification of GST itself, like I told you. Second is to be able to simplify the holding norms, in the sense that when an home buyer rents a flat, he gets a set-off against his income tax. Yeah. But if the same home buyer goes and buys a home, he has a ceiling as to how much he can kind of, set off against his income. I think it'll be very, very a good move on the part of the Finance Ministry to allow for a purchaser of a home to get a huge relief with regards to his taxation. Why do we say this? Because indirectly the developer is paying a score of other taxes, including GST, including stamp duty for the state, including employment of people and the services that he provides. This will lead to a big fillip. Though income tax may come down a little bit, but this is a big fillip to the overall growth of the industry and thereby growth to the GDP as well.